Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix Spotify application black screen issue. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're going through the black screen issue for Spotify application whenever you're trying to open up the app, then there are several solutions you can take into considerations. The first thing to do is to check your internet connection. Check if you are connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. If you're already connected but still you are not being able to do that, you can turn on your flight mode or your airplane mode, wait for a couple of seconds and then turn it off back again. Now, once you're connected to a stable internet connection, go back to your Spotify app and try launching it on. If it still does not work, the next thing you can try out is to restart Spotify application. Simply go to the app drawer and spot Spotify, press hold to the app and click on App Info. Once you do that, tap on the force stop button at the bottom right hand corner and click OK in the pop-up. Now from the same page, go to Storage and now tap Clear Cache at the bottom right hand corner and now tap Clear Data at the bottom left. Remember that you must know your entire credentials in order to log in back to Spotify again, since pressing on OK will delete your application's data including files, settings, accounts and databases completely. So you need to log into your account by entering your credentials again, so make sure to know that. Once you tap OK, go back to your app drawer and launch Open Spotify application, but this time, like I mentioned, you'll need to log in by entering your credentials. If that works for you, then that's great. You can stop right there and start using a Spotify app, but if you are still not being able to get hold of the issue, the next thing to do is to check if there is any updates available for your Spotify app. Go to your Play Store and tap it open. In the search box appearing at the top, search for Spotify by typing it in with the help of your keyboard. If there is any updates available for your Spotify application, then simply tap on the update button right next to the app and wait until the application gets updated. Sometimes because of the bugs that has been accumulated in your Spotify application might be the main cause why you're not being able to use it to the fullest. The updates comes up with the bug fixes and performance improvements, so once you update the application, your Spotify application should work just fine. Now you can simply go and tap Open Spotify app and see if that makes any kind of a difference. If it still does not, the last thing you can do is to simply delete Spotify application from your system. Simply press hold Spotify app and tap on the uninstall button in the pop-up. Select OK in the pop-up at the bottom and make sure to uninstall the application from your Android device. Once you do that, go back to Play Store and re-download the application, and once you reinstall the app, you should be able to log into your Spotify app just fine and your problem might be fixed. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you are not being able to use your Spotify application, since it keeps showing you the black screen. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.